I'd like you to think back on a time that you were hungry. I mean, really hungry. I'll give you a second to remember how that felt. Now imagine that you felt like that every night or for an entire weekend. About 15% of Perry County children understand how it feels to be hungry for an entire weekend. Those 1,500 kids might come home from school knowing they have little or nothing to eat until they arrive back at school for breakfast the next day. Those 1,500 children are less equipped to reach their full potential. Studies show that children who lack consistent access to nutritious food are likely to repeat a grade in elementary school. They can experience developmental impairments in acquiring language and appropriate motor skills. And the likelihood of problems with behavior and poor social skills also rises dramatically. Food insecurity may reflect a household's need to make trade-offs between essential basic needs such as housing or medical bills and purchasing nutritionally adequate foods. Many parents admit to buying cheap processed foods to stave off hunger and allow their food budget to stretch further. But it doesn't have to be this way. I'm Leslie Heimbaugh. My company, Foodie Love, is partnering with local restaurants, farm markets, Perry County school districts, and donors like you to collect cash and non-perishable food items. Foodie Love uses cash donations to purchase grocery store and farm market vouchers for perishable food items. In turn, school districts will distribute the donated food and vouchers through their existing backpack program, along with a suggested weekly meal plan approved by a registered dietitian. Each week, families will receive enough food and vouchers to ensure a nutritious weekday evening meal and 3 meals a day plus healthy snacks for the weekends. Here's how you can help. Go to foodielove.com/hunger for a list of non-perishable food items that provide the most significant health benefits to growing children. The website details convenient drop-off locations around the county for your food. It also allows you to make a cash donation to purchase vouchers to the appropriate grocery stores and farm markets closest to the family's homes. Through our program, families can connect with Perry County social service agencies prepared to help them work through issues that might keep them from self-sufficiency. Thanks in advance for your help. Together we can improve our neighbors' lives while putting an end to childhood hunger in Perry County.